So I'm requesting my dear student, instead of me, I start the class. I request any one of you to start the class.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I want to give.
Okay. Okay. So Sazra, Israfil, and Khatijatul Kubra wants to start the class. Girls, please wait. Please wait. Okay. Anyone else wants to start the class? Oh my God, I never expected this.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Actually, I'm not aware about the last class, and so this is my first class. Due to the number of people joining the class last time, so I was not able to join. I have no idea about what the class is going to be. Okay, so inshallah next time I'll take this up.
Thank you very much, Junaid. Okay, so this message is for all the newcomers, all the new students today who are present for the first time you are attending this class. No need to worry. This is our fifth class. Okay, this is the fifth training and the fifth session is going on right now. So no need to worry for the new students. But remaining students, okay, like remaining students, as I saw, two girls are ready to start the class. Now, girls, you know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about to start the class with academic year, then welcoming, then bottom of my heart. I hope you're understanding, right?
Yes,
Sazra
sir.
and Kubra. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kubra. Yeah, okay, good, good, good. Okay, so here two girls are ready. As I said, I'm feeling very lazy and I want you to start because being lazy. So since I'm giving the same speech every day, right? Same speech. I just wanted to check whether even after 5 days you can start the class or not. Why? Because there is a competition, boys and girls. Ask me what competition. The competition is between the four batches. Right now it's running. You know, in the other batches, they said to me, excuse me, sir, instead of you, can we start the class? It was amazing. And I said, yeah, why not? So they started the class, you know. It's not like I want the perfect thing from you. It happens, you know, up and down. Some words you will miss, some words you will eat. No problem, it happens. But what is there not to try? We have to try, you know. So here two girls are ready and they are going to try. So every day how I'm starting the class, the same way these girls will start the class one by one. Okay. Okay, good. That is a Sajra and Khadija Kubra. Good. Anyone else? I just want to know the name.
Sir, me.
May I know your name?
Juveria.
Excuse me, sir. I will also tell the.
Oh my God. Excellent. Zuwairia, Tabassum, and Mehet Fatima, and Sajra Israfil and Khadijatul Kubra. Wow, I never expected this, you know. Many of the girls are ready to start the class. Yeah. Okay, boys and girls, what is the moral of the story here? What I'm trying to say, if I type on the screen, then you will write down, then you will practice at home. 40 minutes gone. We don't have
Sir, I
time.
can't hear your voice clearly.
Yeah, our technical team, Mehek Fatima could not hear my voice. Please check. And Mehek, even you check your headphones, okay, and your network. Okay, okay, fine. Very quickly, we are going to start the class. And the moral of the story is that I could not waste my time for 40 minutes. Okay, we will have the classes of typing, writing, speaking, chatting. But right now, you know, what is happening in this week is wishing and greetings and speeches and introductions and interactions. All these things are happening, but from the next week everything will be new, so you can learn more. Okay, so we have got the four girls, so I would like to request first Sazra to start the class. Boys and girls, then listen carefully how she is going to start, and after Shazra has completed, you have to type in the chat box whether this speech what I was saying it is the same, or she did see any mistake, or it's good or bad. Or you can unmute yourself and say you have to say Shazra, well done. That's all you have to say. Okay, Shazra, before starting you have to say, may I start, sir?
May I start, sir?
Please start.
Academic year 2020-2021, venue English spoken and personality development training from Colors Foundation. Place Bangalore. Respected dignitaries, my beloved teacher, and all the beautiful students present here. A very, very good afternoon to everyone. As I present my highest gratitude, let me introduce myself. I am Sajra Israfil and I am present here to get the training of English spoken and personality development from Colors Foundation. From bottom of my heart, I would like to welcome Colors team, Shahnawaz sir and all the students present on the screen. I warmly welcome you all. Hope this session give us lots of benefit. Thank you so much.
Oh my God. Wow. Excellent.
Sajra, well done. Wonderful, Sajra.
It was amazing, Sajra.
Okay, boys and girls, keep it up, Sajra. Excellent, Sajra. Well done, Sajra.
Superb, Sajra.
Superb, Sajra. Yeah. Okay, anyone else wants to comment on this, or you want to just say by unmuting yourself? How was the Sajra speech?
Wonderful and nice, sir.
It was a
Nice,
fabulous
sir.
speech.
Okay, good. Just now someone said beautiful. So I remember the word beautiful we use for girls. Then what do the word we use for boys?
Handsome, sir. Handsome.
Handsome, handsome, handsome. Yeah.
Handsome.
And what do we use the word for babies, small babies?
Cute.
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 Cute. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much. All right. So that was a speech, Sajra Asrafil, what she gave. It was an excellent speech. Khatijatul Kubra. You have to say, may I start? Jafar, mute yourself. Jafar, please mute yourself. Background disturbance. Yeah, thank you. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Please start.
Academic year 2020-21. Venue Spoken English and Personality Development from Colors Foundation. Place Bangalore. Respected dignitaries of Colors Foundation and wonderful boys and girls. A very good afternoon to everyone. As I present my highest gratitude, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Khatijatul Kubra, a student of Spoken English and Personality Development of Colors Foundation. So as we move forward, from the bottom of my heart, first I would like to welcome the Colors team and all the students present here. Heartily welcome to everyone for the session 5, batch 4.
Wow, excellent. What do you say, boys and girls?
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. Okay, good. MashaAllah. Anyone else?
Outstanding.
Fantastic speech.
Outstanding performance.
It was the speech. Okay, good. Marvelous, outstanding, awesome, excellent, wonderful. Okay, fabulous, different. Yes. You know, it's like competition in this group, you know, who is best, you know. Now, Sajra, we were thinking best. Even Khatijatul Kubra is the best, and both are okay. Now we are just waiting for the third girl, you know. Maybe she may be far more better than these girls. Okay, who is next? Please start. Yeah, Zuveria, you are next.
May I start, sir?
Please start.
Academic year 2020-2021. Venue Spoken English and Personality Development by Colors Foundation. Place Bengaluru. Respected dignitaries of Colors Foundation and beloved teacher and all the beautiful girls, a very good afternoon to everyone. As I present my highest gratitude, let me introduce myself. Myself, Vera Tabassum, and I'm very overwhelmed to deliver this welcome speech and train myself for personality development and spoken English. From the bottom of my heart, first I would like to welcome respected Shahnawaz sir to this class. I hope this session will be very useful to us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Zuveria. Sipkat sir, we have the student Jafar. I don't know how to mute and unmute. He don't know. We are getting a lot of disturbance from him. Jafar, this is the last warning.
Because I want to remove him.
Yeah, Jafar, this is the last warning. If you disturb again the class, you will be removed. Please, until unless we say to unmute yourself, don't unmute. You are unmuting. A lot of disturbance. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Okay, last but not the least, we could not give the chance to everyone because time is running and we have to go for the next topic also, boys and girls. So please, who will be the last boy or girl to start this class? Already it is started to deliver the speech. Who wants to try? Okay, repeat again. Sajra Asrafil, Khatijatul Khubra, and Zuveria Tabassum already gave the speech. I need one more student to please give the speech. Nothing but a welcome speech. Who wants to try? No one? Oh my God, that's it. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. It happens. So let us go to our the next topic. Okay, and the next topic is actually we could not complete yesterday. Can anyone remind me what will be our next topic or what we did in the previous class or yesterday's class?
College introduction.
Yeah. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. You were helping us to know how to introduce ourselves in college.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, only 3 girls has started the classes by delivering the welcome speech. Here comes the translation. The translation is nothing but I'm going to speak in Hindi. All the boys and girls has to translate in English. And the rules and regulations is I'm going to say the sentence in Hindi for 3 times. Once I finish 3 times, then you have to translate in English by unmuting yourself one by one. So boys and girls, make sure that you listen to my question, okay? And I want creative answers, different kinds of answers. Okay, listen the question. Sir, आज आप क्लास स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, कल से हम क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे. One time. Second time, listen carefully. Sir, आज आप क्लास स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, कल से हम क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे. Last time, boys and girls, listen carefully. Sir, आज आप क्लास स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, कल से हम क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Sir, today you start the class. Tomorrow we will start the class.
Sir, you start the class today. Tomorrow we will start the class.
Excellent, very good. All the boys and girls. Good. Next.
Today you continue the class and tomorrow we start the class.
Excellent, Mehek Fatima. The word we learned new today is continue. As you said, the class has been started. Sir, you please continue the class. From tomorrow, we will start the class. Okay,
Sure.
next. Next. Okay, in the chat box. Sir, today you start the class. From tomorrow, we will start the class. Good. Okay. Okay, Zuveria Tabassum. Sir, we request you to begin the session. From tomorrow, we will try to start. Okay, here comes the new word, begin. Starting, beginning. Okay, good. Anyone else? Anyone else wants to try?
Today you have initiated the class. Tomorrow I will initiate the class.
Wow, superb, Sumaya. Initiating, starting, beginning. But one word is missing in my mind, you know. Boys and girls, can you tell me which is that word?
Excuse me, sir. Opening.
Yeah, opening. Okay, the opening of the class. Good. So boys and girls, here we go. And actually the word I was like proceed. P-R-O-C-E-E-D, proceed. Excuse me, sir. Today you proceed the class. From tomorrow we will proceed the class. So proceed is nothing but starting, right? Proceeding, starting, beginning, okay, initiating, all what we said, all the boys and girls gave the answer. Good. So excellent, boys and girls. That's what I was expecting. That is called as translation. Okay. Everyone translated well. Okay. Here we go for the next topic. Yeah. If anyone wants to say something.
Sir, today you start the class. Tomorrow I will start.
Oh my God. Yeah. Thank you very much. Your voice was breaking. Yeah. Go ahead. Here comes the answer from Atiqa Naz. Go ahead with the class. So today you go ahead with the class. From tomorrow we will start the class. We will be beginning the class. We will start the class. Okay, boys and girls, good. Excellent. So I said one sentence in Hindi and you all translated in English and different kinds of answers we got. Okay, that is what we're expecting. This is what we called as creativity. Okay, good. So boys and girls, as we know, today's topic is nothing but an introduction. This is over the first week, what we are going on. And the introduction, I'm going to share my screen. Sipkat sir, please allow me to share my screen. I request our technical team to please share my screen. Okay, boys and girls. Yeah. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's loud and clear, sir.
My screen is loud and clear.
No, sir. It is visible.
It is visible, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Your
you.
screen is visible.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. So
Welcome,
other way
sir.
of, yeah,
Clearly
the other
visible.
way of, yeah, the other way of saying visible is, sir, I can see your screen.
I can watch my screen clearly, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sir, I am able to see your screen. Okay, your screen is visible, or I can see your screen. What is spoken English? Spoken English is nothing but I'm speaking in English in different forms, different ways. Okay, all right. So I just want to remind girls and boys that what is the important thing in the introduction that you are going to give, which will be the first point.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Greeting.
Greeting. But before I type greeting, can anyone tell me the spelling of introduction?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, please.
INTRODUCTION. Introduction.
IN
Okay. IN
TRO
TRO
DUC
DUC
TION.
TION. Okay.
Introduction.
So here, boys and girls, if I'm going to spell one word, you have to pronounce this word. Because what happens here is, if one person is asking you, please tell me the spelling, and you are like, everyone at together, my mic is going to blast. No problem. Patience is the key to success. Now, this is what I was expecting. When you're speaking English
Sir,
with
your
someone
voice is like
opposite. Okay, my voice is breaking. Okay, so I will check my network, you check your network, and I will check my headphones, you check your headphones. Okay, okay. So as I was saying, what is happening here, when someone is speaking in English in front of you, until unless he don't understand your English, he will not be able to answer. Okay, so now let me spell some letters and you have to tell me what is this word. The letters of what I'm going to spell is ZINGALALA, ZINGALALA.
Zingala.
Zingala. Zingala.
Another.
Okay, Zingalala.
Sir,
Okay, okay.
Jingala.
Someone
Sir,
is
it
saying,
was-
sir. Okay. Boys and girls, here is the technique. Be very smart. Okay, at a time, if you give the answers, no one is able to understand. So make sure if everyone is completed at last, you will say, excuse me, sir. The letters which you spell it out, the answer is Zingalala. You know, this is a secret of impressing others. Okay, no problem. Here we go. Introduction, boys and girls. Someone said greetings.
So again, your voice is breaking.
Actually, I'm getting the clear voice. No problem.
Okay. Some of them are to some of them my voice is clear, and for some of them my voice is disturbing. Okay, no problem. It happens. Okay, fine. So that is why the reason we say everyone has to use your headphones, and pen and pencil should be ready. Okay, your books and pencils is very important, and headphones is important. Along with that, discipline and concentration is important.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I forgot to
Okay.
put my book and pen.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sayyid Yunus, once you have spoken,
Yes,
you have to mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Okay.
When you want to speak, you know, you have to unmute. Yeah, thank you very much, Sayyid Yunus. Here we go. So listen carefully, boys and girls. Here we are talking about today's topic. It is introduction, and there are very simple 7 points. And as I said, in our batch, there are many boys and girls who are slow, who are average, and who are expert in speaking in English. Okay. On the basis of that, this is the introduction. And what you give introduction in the school is totally different from the introduction in the college. And what you give the introduction in the college is totally different when you give the introduction when you attend an interview. Okay, when you give the introduction to your HR, that is human resource. Here we go. So boys and girls, the first point is nothing but an wishing or greeting. I think we did this yesterday also. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
after
sir,
wish,
sir.
yeah, after wishing it was name, and after name it was age, and after wishing name and age it was
Place and city. What is the meaning of YouTube?
Yes, sir.
college name, it was class,
What, sir?
then college, and last it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last it was place. Okay, and end. Boys and girls, I have just typed the words end. What is the meaning of end? E-N-D, end.
Concluding
Front and back.
concluding our speech.
Exactly, complete.
Excluding our speech. Boys and means I mean to say how we are starting, like everyone knows, Monday is to nice, Tuesday is to good. Yes, yes, yes. Wednesday is to wonderful, Thursday is to pleasant. Today is Friday, so you are going to wish me, good afternoon, sir. Fantastic to see you again. Followed by your name, age, class, college, place. And how you are going to end this speech, it will be like, thank you, sir. Have a fantastic day. Okay, someone are new to this session and class, they don't know how to wish because the wishing class has been completed in the beginning. Okay, so we will teach you again on some fine day. Okay, so boys and girls, this is the simple method. Okay, now I'm going to give you 2 to 3 options here, and you have to decide which is the best option. The first point of the introduction is wishing. So will you wish me good afternoon, sir, option 1, or will you wish me good afternoon, sir, fantastic to see you again?
Good afternoon, sir. Fantastic to see you again.
Again.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you know, this is the 21st century. Everyone has to be very smart. Just wishing good afternoon is no good. You have to wish good afternoon, sir. Fantastic to see you again. And our points, like before previous classes, how are you? Who are you? What are you doing? That has been completed because that was a simple conversation and communication between two people. So wishing, I gave you the 2 options in the name. Now name, we have 3 options, boys and girls. The first option is my name is, second option is I am, and the third option is myself. Which one looks good?
I guess third option,
Myself.
Third, sir. Third option.
Myself.
Third option,
Third
myself.
option is
First option, sir.
third option, myself.
Okay.
Excuse
Okay,
me?
yes.
Myself, sir.
Yeah, please start.
Third option.
Thank you very much. Okay. Now, according to the rules and regulations, when we get the training, boys and girls, my name is related to school, where you are supposed to say. In college, you are supposed to say I am, and when you are attending the interview, you are supposed to say myself. Okay, just it's in basics rules. It's not like we have to say a particular this word at a particular time. No, you can use these 3 words, but I think we will be using myself or I am. My name is because it is in school level. Okay, here we go. Then next point is class. The option is is I am the student of first year stream, or I am studying in first year.
Option B.
That is the school level. In the school level, I am the student of 7th standard. I am studying in 7th standard, you know. I am the student of 7th standard. Kukuruku, please mute yourself. Oh my God. Yeah, okay, no problem. I'm the student of 7th standard, or I'm studying in 7th standard. So I think standard, or I'm the student year PUC stream. Okay, it looks better while speaking English. Okay, college, same words we are going to use. I'm the student of National Public College, National Public School, or I'm studying National Public School, or I'm studying in National Public College. Tell me, boys and girls.
I am studying in National Public College, sir.
Okay, now what I'm trying to say here, boys and girls, I'm trying to say here is for class and college, you are not supposed to use the same word. Sir, I'm the student of 7th standard. I'm the student of public school. You have to say, I'm studying in 7th standard. I'm the student of National Public School. Vice versa. Okay. What is spoken English is nothing but I'm using different kinds of words. Okay. Now place. Place means you are going to use I am from, I am residing, my house is in, my home is at. So if you're going to say your place, I am residing, my house, my home, I am from. Which one is the better?
I am from.
I am residing.
Last option. I am from.
Last option, sir.
Yeah,
Last option.
Last option, sir.
While telling while giving an address, you have to say my address is full. But now while giving introduction, I am from Shivaji Nagar, I am from Chini Road, I am from Yeshwanthpur, I am from Dasarhalli. Yeah,
Yes,
in the chat box also everyone is messaging, good, I am from. Okay, so I think I am from is the best option.
I am from.
Yeah, yeah. Do not repeat. Do not repeat.
Yes, sir.
What is this? I am from? Yes, sir. I am from? Yes, sir. Here everyone is smart, whoever it is. Here everyone is very, very smart in this batch. Okay. All right. And ending will be same. It is like, thank you, sir. Have a fantastic. Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a fantastic day. So boys and girls, this is your homework from tomorrow. This is your homework for tomorrow. It's very simple. These are the simple things. It's very tough thing also. Like you have to introduce yourself, or you have to express. You know, we have school students, college students also. Okay. So I hope you understand. So I'm going to give you the demo now. After giving the demo, we will go to the next topic. Okay. So demo is like this. Good afternoon, everyone. Pleasant to see you again. My name is Mohammed Shahnwaz. I'm 22 years old. I'm the student of 10th standard, and I am studying in National Public College. I am from Yeshwanthpur. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day. Sorry, fantastic day. Okay, boys and girls, I did a mistake here. Can you tell me what was that mistake?
Sir, you say,
Pleasant.
I am student.
Pleasant.
Yes, yes. Instead of saying fantastic, I said, oh, apart from that, one more mistake.
I said I am student of
Yes, yes, yes.
and I study and national.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm the student, I said, and I'm studying in college. Okay, apart from that, any mistake? I'm talking about the smart mistake.
I am old.
No. Okay, let me tell you. A good listen. You have to listen.
My name.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. You said you're studying in LC and you said I'm studying in National Public College.
No. I am 20 years old,
Yes,
and I
and
said I am 10th standard. So 22 years age, person can't study in 10th standard.
2 years old.
Oh, good. I hope understanding this is a very smart thing to say. You know, it's like you have to understand. This was my point while I'm saying. So I hope everyone understood this introduction.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you. It's Friday and everyone is feeling sleepy. So my humble request is, if you are feeling sleepy in the afternoon, come to the morning batch. Very much fresh and fine.
Morning batch, afternoon is better. During
Sir,
your
at the morning batch, I'm not able to the class.
Yeah, no problem. I can understand. You are, yeah.
Sir, I wanted to come in morning. 2 to 3 bad, but I cannot able to join it showing. This is only scheduled in 6th of May at 2
Okay,
to
okay.
3. Solely I
Yeah,
have
I understood.
messaged you, sir.
Yeah, understood. What's your name?
Ma'am, I'm Ume Sufia.
Yeah, Ume Sufia, I got your message. Our colors technical team is trying the best to make sure, according to your convenience, your batches should be there. According to your convenience, you have to follow the particular content syllabus. According to your convenience, what are your requirements, we are following. Okay, and everything will be done. As I said, all the boys and girls, this is our fifth training session, right? So we are making sure that everything should fall in one place, in one platform. Then, you know, the classes will go on. No one has any problem, because some students are complaining, sir, we have the online class from our school also, and we have the online class from our college also. So it doesn't happen. Okay, no problem. But coming back to the topic, now I want to say you something very, very important. Yeah, Sayyada Sadia Aziz, sir, if you are 22 years old, you can't study in 10th standard in chat box. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sayyada sir. So boys and girls, very important message I want to deliver. I want to convey, I want to say, I want to speak. Say, speak, convey, deliver, forward. You see, in the spoken English, what are the different kinds of words we use? Okay, and that important message is, listen carefully, all the boys and girls. We are expecting not only you, but your friends, families, relatives, neighbors, and friends to join this Colors Foundation Spoken English training. Why? Because it is absolutely free. It is absolutely free. We are not charging anything. Oh yeah, I got the message from our technical team. Sir, we just have 3 minutes remaining. Yeah, this is the problem of Zoom app. Zoom app is giving us only 40 minutes. Then automatically the screen disappear and everyone is gone. So let me convey this message, boys and girls. It's an humble request to inform to your friends, families, and relatives to join this class. Okay, because there are minimum seats. So some seats are still available. Once it is full, you will be regretting, because it is free. And you know, if you go to any other spoken English classes or personality development classes, minimum they are charging 500 rupees per month, right? 300 rupees, 1000 rupees, 5000 rupees, you know. So it is like that. No age is limited. So
only 5. They're charging us 10%, sir.
You should
yeah.
charge your money.
So here we are not charging, right? Here we are not charging, right? We are not charging. So not charging in the sense, it doesn't mean we don't want anything from you. We want something from you. Obviously we want. Can you tell me what we expect from you? What we are expecting from you?
And right.
Giving our 100% attention and getting all the points, whatever you are trying to convey and whatever you are trying to teach us.
Okay, good, excellent. That's what we are. A good future. Okay. Concentration, discipline, manners, behavior, training, good future. Yes, good. Okay, thank you very much. But boys and girls, my intention was, apart from that, as we are giving you the free training, we are expecting that please go to the Colors Foundation channel and subscribe. Okay, we will send you the link. It's a YouTube channel. You have to subscribe, you have to watch the video, and you have to comment. This we are actually, I'm expecting this. Why I'm expecting this? Because once you subscribe, comment, and watch the video, lot of features will be unlocked from the YouTube channel. And what are that features? That features will be useful for you. For example, showing you the different kinds of softwares, applications, how to attend the interviews, presentations, and email. You can see on my screen. If you subscribe, comment, and watch the video. So that's we are expecting. So it is like, help me to help you. I repeat again, help us to help you. If you are helping us by subscribing the channel, the new features are unlocking from the YouTube channel. It's very useful. Okay, we have the options what we want from YouTube. Then we want for your sake only that your future should be bright. So the first thing is, please inform your friends, families, relatives, and neighbors to join this class, that is Colors Foundation Free Spoken English and Personality Development. Second thing is, please subscribe this channel. Okay, so I hope and I request and I pray to Almighty Allah that everyone will subscribe this channel. Unmute yourself and you have to say, Inshallah, we will subscribe.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. And before that, I would like to suggest, why don't we use Google Meet? Time limit. Yeah,
What's
Google
your name? What's your name?
Junaid.
Junaid. Yeah, Junaid, thank you very much for the suggestions. So we have not come across the Google Meet session you are showing. Sure, we will consider your suggestion, that is Google Meet, and we will try. So Junaid, it is like unlimited time and number of participants, right?
100 and
okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so boys and